Okay, let's talk about bank statements. In the processing world, we're going to need some bank statements. We're going to need every page. At the bottom of the bank statement, it usually says page 1 of 5 and 2 of 5 or 1 of 3 or 1 of 2. Whatever number of pages you have, we're going to need to see all of them. You say, Josh, it's 5 pages, but the fifth page is just blank. It'll still have a place on there where it says page 5 of 5 and it says intentionally blank. We need every page, even the intentionally blank pages. The underwriters are looking for a few things, and sometimes there's hidden things in your bank statements that can be an issue we have to resolve. Now, issues are things that we have to work through. They're not things that kill your deal typically. So just be as honest and upfront as you can, and we'll sort through the way to solve this problem. One thing that's an issue would be a large unexplained deposit. That can raise a red flag. Another thing that can raise a red flag is bank overdrafts. If you are dipping into your savings and your savings is sending money to your checking because you keep spending too much in your checking, I know that could just be the way you do business and the way you do life, but we need to cut it out. We need to make sure you keep enough money in checking so that you don't have any overdrafts. And consistent savings habits, they look strong. They're helpful. If you have a certain number of money going into your savings account every month, that's a good thing. Let's say you live with your parents and you have no rent, but you want to prove that you can pay a $1,200 mortgage. Well, spend a couple of months making a $1,200 deposit into your savings account every month on the same day. Make it regular, make it scheduled, and make sure you don't dip into that savings because in your pretend world, that money's gone for mortgage or gone for rent. And so if you can build a habit of that savings, it's going to really help you and it's going to make your profile look a lot stronger. So remember, your bank text statements tell a story. Make sure it's a story of stability and not a story of surprises.